Safety precautions when using cargo carriers. Safety first. Cargo carriers can be great for transporting items, but make sure you put your cargo carrier safety know-how to work before setting out. Here are some tips to help ensure a safe cargo carrying experience. Double-check cargo weight limits when loading cargo onto the cargo carrier. Overloading cargo carriers can cause damage to the vehicle, as well as create an unsafe driving environment. Make sure cargo is securely fastened with ropes, straps, or cargo nets. Don't rely solely on cargo racks to hold cargo in place. You may end up with a messy cargo mess down the road. Inspect cargo carriers before use for any signs of wear and tear or damage that needs to be fixed or replaced. Stay aware and always know the cargo carrier's route and expected destinations to avoid detours. Avoid driving in extreme weather conditions, as cargo carriers may not perform as well in these environments. When parking, make sure cargo is unloaded in a safe, secure area with the cargo carrier parked on level ground. Finally, lock cargo carriers when not in use so your cargo is safe and secure against theft or damage.